Librans, this is Char with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for February 2021. Before we dive into this video, please do us a favor and click the notification bell. Also subscribe to my channel and like this video so that you can hear from us whenever we upload a video. Like always, Librans, we will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use some oracle decks. For messages from the universe, I will use the Celtic Lenormand that I have here. Towards the final days of January 2021, stepping into February, we have the Five of Wands. Certainly, Librans, you were quite sought after in this period. I think appreciation was coming your way with respect to your creativity or with respect to your professional attitude or your work, or the output was much appreciated. Another thing I'm also picking up that maybe communication has increased and you also had to adapt to the changing circumstances. I'm also picking up maybe there were times when you were dilly-dallying or you were not forthcoming, but then in the end you had done the needful. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Seven of Wands. Certainly, Librans, this is the energy which you're carrying forward from Five of Wands to Seven of Wands. So there'll be communication or there'll be circumstances when you may find that there could be offers coming your way and you have to act immediately. Possibly you have to keep aside whatever you're dealing with and you have to focus on whatever is urgent or pressing. Some of you may also find yourself being caught up because of the problems that your family faces. Maybe you should seek the angels' advice. Maybe you should call upon your archangels or your spirit guides because they're going to help you. Ideally, I think Librans, you should be kind towards creatures great and small, and maybe you should also watch your tongue because there could be misunderstandings or you may be also presuming too much, because ultimately you will realize that your apprehensions were unnecessary, or maybe you shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Sometimes you may also find yourself, because of the work pressure, that you could find time for yourself early morning, or maybe there'll be times when you'll be awake till late at night because you want to complete the tasks at hand. Influences for the month, we have the Ten of Swords. Certainly, work could increase or the pressure of work could be something which you have to deal with. This could make it very exhausting and tiring for you, but you have to be prepared for these circumstances. You may also be quite perturbed because there could be jealous colleagues around you, or your superior could also be quite whimsical, expecting you to follow his plans and all. So sometimes you may also feel as though he is bullying you, so you may want to put in your papers. However, Librans, I think you are somebody who is made of sterner stuff, so you need to carry on and you should push the envelope and sail with the changes. You will also get assistance from members of the opposite sex in this month, so you should tap into your contacts and get their assistance or help when you require them. By the way, those who are unemployed, I think you may be wondering about your situation. Maybe you think that your plans regarding your future are coming to nothing, or they are coming a cropper. Sometimes you may also be a bit hassled because your family members may point it out that you're making no headway. Maybe you're going around in circles and your plans are backfiring. Somebody will definitely help you out. Maybe you need financial assistance as well, but you should realize that everything is cyclic and there's always a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. The first 10 days for Librans, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Certainly in this period, I think you'll make some gains, no doubt. This is the Pentacle energy, so you're being called upon to make gains, or there'll be opportunities, but you should also be mindful of the fact that there could be some people who are acting slyly. Maybe females are also playing an important role because we have a queen over here. Whatever it is, things will be revealed to you, or it will be all out in the open. Ideally also, Librans, while you're working, I think you should review the task before you submit it. Maybe sometimes you may find yourself lacking in motivation. Also, I think if you are haggling with your clients or with your boss, I think you should press for an increment. Basically, there'll be financial transactions or banking work could also take up your time. For some of you, I think also your health could be a factor this month, so you need to do some aura cleansing to get rid of the negative energy around you. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th February, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Librans, you're being called upon to polish your skills. Maybe you need to focus on work. Like I said, I think you could also want to enhance your skills, so you may consider signing up for an online course. Collaboration will also help you make gains. There could be offers or opportunities could come your way from your clients, or some acquaintances could recommend you to other people. Basically, you have to react to the situation. Paperwork or technical work could also be something which could keep you busy in this period. Also, while dealing with clients, I think you need to be very firm, because you'll come away getting whatever you desire. Maybe they will want you to revise the rates of your services, but I think you shouldn't surrender to their whims. Praise is also quite likely in this period. Maybe in the past your creative work, or you have done tasks in the past, and that is also going to be appreciated by the management or the administration. Maybe Librans, I think you should be a bit careful when it comes to interpersonal skills. Maybe you need to work on that area, because all in all it will help you. Another thing, Librans, I think in this month you may also want to declutter your space. Maybe you are thinking about home improvements also. Electrical gadgets could also be an issue here. Towards the final days, that is 21st to 28th of February, we have the Seven of Cups. Certainly you are going to be quite nostalgic or reflective, because this lady here, she's in a reflective mood. Maybe you are thinking about your chances you had in the past. There are choices ahead of you. There's a plan A or there's a plan B which you need to work upon. Basically, I think you may also be very emotional and temperamental in this period. So maybe you need to watch your tongue, or you should avoid misunderstandings. In case you're dealing with clients, or in case somebody owes you, then you may give that person a piece of your mind, because you want the person to pay up. Possibly a more tactful approach could help you. I think because of the arguments, there could be unnecessary paperwork also, or official work could also take up your time. Also, you may be in this month dealing with the official documents, or which need to be verified by the respective departments. So carry all the documents, or keep all your documents while you meet with those officials. Or with respect to your love life, we have the card, I'm still haunted by your actions. Certainly, Librans, you are thinking about somebody who has not behaved like a gentleman, so you are hurt by the actions of that person. Or maybe the person whom you are dealing with thinks the same about you. It could be vice versa. Another thing, Librans, I'm picking up that there could be a lot of attention coming your way from the opposite sex. Like I said, the opposite sex will also help you out in case you require assistance, but maybe they have other interests, or maybe they are interested in you, in forming a connection or an attachment with you. That's why they are going out of the way to help you. Ideally, I think you'll be flirtatious, but then you should also know where to draw the line, because it's no point adding to your karma, maybe by bringing anybody along. For some of you, those who are already crushing on someone, I think sometimes you may feel that you're telepathically connected with the person, because you have the same thoughts and feelings. Whatever it is, I think true love is on the cards for many Librans. In case there's an offer of love as well, maybe it's up to you, your choices, and how you take that, because we also have the Seven of Cups here in this reading. So maybe at times you may be thinking that you had your chances with the opposite sex. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you could be dealing with an ex. Another thing, those who are already romancing, I think there could be work which could keep both of you preoccupied. Possibly you don't have time to indulge in sweet nothings, but or when this person does call you up, I think the phone calls will be quite frequent or often. Interestingly, Librans, sometimes you may also feel that the person is not committed enough, or sometimes you may feel as though that he is scared of the repercussions in case you are in a third-party situation, or in case you are in a romantic connection which is hush-hush, or in case there are limitations on account of society. Perhaps you think that this person is a player. On the other hand, married Librans, I think you should be more polite with your person, or even with your in-laws. maybe someone around you could be suffering from ill health, so that is could also affect your relationship, or even your child's health could be a factor here. Sometimes disagreements could also be there with your partner on account of the way you raise your child. Maybe you need to sort out these issues about parenting. Both of you have the best interests at heart, but then you have to find a common ground. Perhaps Librans, I think you could de-stress by watching movies or romantic movies or songs. That could help you. In case you're in an unhappy situation, maybe somebody would point out that your spouse is someone who is quite overbearing, or he wants everything his way. That means that he is a very bossy figure. You know, or you don't want to be reminded about this, so this could unsettle you a bit as well. From Lenormand or Messages from the Universe, we have the card book. Possibly Librans, like I said, you need to work on your skills, so that is why you're being called upon by the angels to polish your skills. So maybe you should research even further. For some of you, esoteric knowledge is also at hand, because I said you need to do spiritual cleansing. You need to declutter your home or your space. That could help you a bit. You need to gain wisdom. That is something which I am picking up. Another card we have here is birds. So maybe you need to communicate with people, or you need to network or collaborate with people. Sometimes, this conversation is necessary, and it helps strengthen our bonds with people around us or family members. So you are being called upon to communicate. For some of you, maybe you are into public speaking. By the way, there could also be gossip which you have to deal with, Librans. Like I said, maybe everything will come out in the open, so people who have not been truthful, or who have not had your best interests at heart, you may be aware of what's going on behind closed doors, that is. I hope, Librans, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.